In 1911, Italy celebrated Zanetti's launch of a luxury train. 100 passengers boarded for a glamorous trip, but crossing a Milan tunnel, the impossible occurred. The train simply vanished. No tracks, no smoke, no bodies. Just silence and a tunnel never used again. Decades later, disturbing reports surfaced. An old train crossing trackless woods, muffled screams inside, even 1911 men appearing in 1845, trapped in the wrong time. Time portal, failed experiment, or divine punishment. Zanetti's ghost train still haunts history, defying logic and fueling fears of endless journeys.